Hello friends, so today I'm going to be making a very pretty paper centerpiece, perfect for bridal showers, tea parties, even weddings for those crafty brides out there who are on a budget. So yeah, I'm just going to go through these supplies with you. I have here 4 sheets of cardstock paper. They are 8.5 inch by 5.5 inch, and it's I'm using like a cream colored paper. I also have a ruler, a pencil, a pair of scissors, a glue gun, some glue sticks, and some sparkly sticker gems from the dollar store. Over here I have some rolled paper flowers and some paper picture frames. I have videos that show you how to make these, so please check down in the description box if you don't remember how to make them. I will have them linked down there. So for the rolled paper flowers, you're going to need 60 of them. I know that sounds like a lot, but they're super easy to make, so you shouldn't have too much trouble making 60 of them. I cut out circles that are about 4 inches in diameter, and that will give you a flower that's roughly this size. For the colors, I'm using pinks, creams, and reds. For the picture frames, I used a sheet of printing paper that is 4.25 inch by 8.5 inch. And I did end up painting mine with a rose gold craft paint because I wanted rose gold corners and I couldn't find any rose gold paper. But you can do them whatever color you want. You just need 8 of them. So that's it for these supplies. So let's get into the actual tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to start off by drawing a 1-inch border on all the sheets of cardstock paper. I'm going to draw the border out very lightly because all I really need it for is just to help me center the paper roses. So I'll just go ahead and start drawing that out. Okay, so I'm done drawing out the border, so now I can start gluing on the paper flowers and also sticking on the gems. Okay, so this is what the centerpiece looks like once it's all put together. There it is right there. What do you guys think? Do you like it? I just added some paper doilies here to the table. I got these from the dollar store, and then I made some confetti with a hole punch and just sprinkled it all around. You can even add one of those battery-operated tea lights, and that would give a nice light ambiance to whatever room you're decorating. So yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it and found it helpful. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.